two-story multi-apartment building. Nothing showing.
What's that?
What's that number?
1606. It'll be the first group of apartment buildings there on National.
Deputy 54, okay.
Right.
Nothing showing all
On the
sides.
left.
County medical assistance available.
Good.
I'm good, George. It's fine.
Yep.
Utility 54.
Engine 55 with 3.
Engine 55, good.
Yeah, it's probably the wrong thing.
160, okay.
54-2 on the team, first two engine, got my own water.
Engine 54, so good.
54-2 on my end. The stove was left on.
So we'll go around them and into the parking lot if we can. Yeah.
County traffic deputy responding.
Traffic 50, okay.
Go in here and then just pull like straight up to that curb so that way the tower can get in here.
County deputy 54. Everyone's in level 1 stage out on local plane except the pilot just.
Deputy 54, okay. All other units, level 1 stage, Locust Lane.
County Chief 50 is listening.
G50, okay.
Tower 6420, first neutral, side alpha, in the parking lot.
Tower 64, okay.